For sale today is a Hwacheon 17 by 40 gap bed precision lathe. This lathe is going to come with a 3-jaw buck through adjust chuck with new reversible jaws. It's going to come with 3 sets of soft jaws. There's an Aloris tool post on it. Morris taper number 4 tailstock with the live center. It's going to also include a 17-inch faceplate. We have a travel dial model 7A. We'll take and run this machine for you. We're at 510 RPMs. Spindle runs nice and quiet. Machine's in all original condition, one owner, guy retired. You can see here, brake works as it should. We'll shift a couple gears here. Run our feeds. All of them run nice and smooth. Lead screw engages like it should. We'll run it in low gear. Reverse works. Ways are in super nice condition on this machine. No wear marks at all. No damage from something getting slung out of it. If you have any other questions about this lathe or any other tool room equipment, you can give Brandon at Varney Machine a call. Thank you.